Welcome back to Lynette's Beauty Box. And as you might have seen by my title, today we're going to be unboxing the boxycharm premium box right here. So for all of you who don't know, boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. Basically, they offer beauty items, makeup, skincare, that type of thing. So without further ado, let's get into this box. It is good and heavy. I think I might have threw my back out. So this month, for the month of June, is the theme the Oasis. So let's take a peek. What's fun in here? First thing I see is Sardinian Spirit. It is a shower gel. Notes of Sardinian myrtle. Don't know what that is. Lemongrass and wild orange. This is 7.7 ounces. Yes, definitely citrusy. Okay. What we have to find out about the shower gel. Why is it so amazing they put shower gel in a box? Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day, when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of the pressed myrtle flowers and berries that run through the cobblestone streets, free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils. This limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. Well, I've never been to Sardinia, but it retailed for $22. Nothing else. I know Mari will love it. She loves just about everything, so. Next thing in the box. I could probably chuck it at my husband and give him a concussion. It's from Glow Recipe, the avocado melt retinol sleeping mask. That's a mouthful. Oh, it's very heavy. Kind of has a texture on the jar like an avocado. Of course, I like anything green. It has a smell to it, but I'm not quite sure what that smell is. Not bad, but it's not like fragrancy. So. Okay. This says avocado retinol sleeping mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado exfoliating PHA and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off flash facial or overnight mask for deep recovery. Retails for $49. Well, if it's supposed to improve skin elasticity, maybe I should take a bath in it and cover my whole entire body with that. I can use some tightening up. Alrighty. Oh, lashes. Lashes. Oh, I open them up and well, whoever's doing their gluing over at Lashaholics probably get their ass fired. But the lashes are beautiful. The packaging is great, except for the fact that it wasn't glued properly. So these lashes are the Lashaholic luxury lashes. They're real, we swear. They're 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight soft cotton band that'll leave your eyes loving you. Made with a light crisscross pattern and tapered ends for a natural glam look. These retail for $14.99. They retail for $49.99. I'd be like, someone needs to have a reality check. So the next thing is from Baddington Beauty, powder and contour brush set. Beautiful brushes. Gold. They feel pretty substantial. Have a really nice fluff feel. Very silky. One's a powder brush and the other one is a contour foundation brush. Contour foundation brush. Says evenly distributes product and foundation into the skin, great for contouring and blending. They're 100% Taklon bristles. I'm not sure what that is, but they are very nice. And I love brushes. So it says the powder and contour brush set. Our high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. Oh. These two brushes retail for $90. Wow. That is some crazy crap. Okay, let's look what's next. Okay, looks like we have something from Too Faced. their Cocoa Contour. Okay. Oh, has a nice weight. The palette, the Cocoa Contour. Open it up, and looks like it has 6 powders, 3 highlights, and 3 contours. Here, and I have the palette upside down, so on the top is going to be your light, medium, and deep highlight, light, medium, and deep contour. And it, yes indeed, does smell like cocoa. Let's slip that right back in the package. Click, and my sweet little card says the palette retails for $44. Coming out of toothpaste, I'm not surprised. And it says lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you'll ever experience. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for diffuse, subtle contour, so natural and effortlessly. All they'll see is your perfect bone structure. I'm not really good at contouring, but I will definitely give it a try. Okay, there. I believe we have one last product in the box. Quite huge and heavy. Probably the weight. This is Grace and Stella face mask. And indeed, this is quite huge. So, most of you who know, I don't like face masks. So I'm not going to open these up because I'm going to put them in a giveaway that we are going to be doing very, very soon. So, and these face masks, let's see if I can't find on the card. Here we go. Is the anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask. It's a pack of 6. As we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which causes our skin to lose its structure and strength. Choose Grace and Stella's anti-wrinkle plus energizing face mask. It's designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating the skin. And this retails for $25? Yes, $25. Well, this doesn't look like too bad of a box. I'll be right back. Okay, so I added up the total of my box. Came to a whopping total of retail value of $230. Now this is the premium box. So it is $35 a month, if I didn't tell you that already. So I definitely think that this box was worth it. I knew that I was getting the avocado melt sleeping mask. So I was really excited about it. And basically everything else is just gravy. This retails for 40, did I say 49? Yeah, $49. So overall, it's a win. All right, thank you guys for unboxing with me today. And until next time, mad love to all of you. Bye.